Hi everyone, welcome. 3 months ago I did an unboxing of this screen, the Iiyama ProLite XU2492HSU-B1. I got 2 of these monitors for a multi-monitor setup because of the bezel-less design makes them ideal for this kind of setup. Last week I decided to get a third screen, like this one, for a triple monitor setup, a surround setup that is, for gaming and for video editing purposes. So I ordered the same model as this one of the same reseller, and apparently Iiyama decided to do a refresh on this model, and so I sent it back. I ordered another one from a different reseller and also it came as a refresh model, and I will explain to you in a bit why I sent those models back. Iiyama says they are all refresh models now, they don't sell the model I unboxed 3 months ago for you, so that's kind of a problem for me. So I thought there is another model with an adjustable monitor mount. So this one came in today. It's the XUB2492HSU-B1 A, and the A stands for refresh. I figured that one out after all the models I got sent to my place. Don't get me wrong, it's an excellent panel. If you want a multi-monitor setup, I think these are the screens to go for because of the bezel-less design. So we're going to unbox it and yeah, let's see what's inside. So, got my knife and we're going to cut it open. Get rid of the stuff that's not important. We have, it's quite heavy, the money there. Yes. At first I will get all the stuff out. So, first let's clear out all the accessories that came with the box. We got a bunch of cables to start with. We got an HDMI cable. We got a USB A to B connection cable for the USB hub. We got the power cord for powering the device. And we got a display port cable. Got some screws for installing the monitor mount. Got the foot itself. It's a foot, yeah, can you tell about it? It's a foot. And we got some documentation, energy label, all that kind of stuff. Read it if you like. The most important thing is the monitor itself. Yeah, we're going to do this. This is the monitor itself, really? Yeah. If we go down the connections, it has a power connection for powering the device. Next to that is a line-in connection for connecting it to an audio source. Next to that we have a line-out connection for connecting speakers to it. If we move over to the other side, you can see the display port connection. And next to that is the HDMI connection. Next to that we have the D-sub VGA connection. Next to that we have the USB connection for the USB hub. And next to that we have 2 USB 2.0 ports. And if we move over to the bottom of the monitor, you can see it has the on-off switch, it has the menu button, it has a volume up. Next to that is a volume down, menu navigation buttons, it has the exit button, and it has input selection. And as you can see, it has a really thin bezel. So let's install the foot on this monitor. It shouldn't be that hard. We have a nice opening. Now we need the screws. So this is where the 3 screws go in the bottom of the foot. Yes. Just like this. Like that. So, as I said, this one has an adjustable mount, so you can adjust it in height, you can tilt it, and you can rotate it like this. You can use them 90 degrees. It's really cool, I think. This will be the same version as the XU version for the panel it is. The only difference is the XUB version comes with an adjustable mount. So I connect this to my computer and be back in a bit. So I've set up the monitor and hopefully you can see this, but if we have a look to the monitor on the right, which is the XU version and the B1 and not the B1 A, you can see there is a big difference in the bezel, in the bottom bezel. The older one has a bigger bezel than the newer refresh model, but that's not the biggest issue I have with this refresh panel. We're going to set it up the same as the other two I have, and let's compare the image quality on these three screens. So we're going to browse through the menu, and first we're going to have a look on picture adjust, and these are by default the same as my other monitors. So we're going to the next, input select, audio, not using that, color adjust, and factory default it came on warm. I'm going to set it on user color with all colors 100% yes. iStyle color off, and then next, image adjust. Hey, that's a new thing. By the other screens it didn't say adjust, it said adjust. It was a typo in the menu, so they corrected this. That's nice. Image adjust, sharpness, I'll set that one with my other monitors on 1. Whoa. Oh, that closes really quick. Okay, let's be faster then. Image adjust, going to set the sharpness to 1. Exit. Nope, exit. Navigation is a bit hard on this monitor because the controls are on the bottom. And setup. Or if they timeout, well, let's set this to 30 seconds. Yes, should be plenty. Opening logo, nope. These aren't affecting any options on the display quality. So basically, those are all the settings. In Windows, I let NVIDIA manage the color profile, set it to RGB on full range, like the other monitors. And yeah, let's have a look on the white balance. That's the biggest issue I have with the screens. Maybe you can see it already on the cloud on the background. First, let's see. Let's do a pixel test. This is white. I hope it will come clear in the video, but as you can see, white on the left screen, the new screen that is, it's a bit more yellowish, the color temperature is way off in comparing to my other two screens. So that's a bit annoying for me. And this is black. Well, obviously those look pretty much the same on every monitor. So that's fine. Red, also a little bit more warm on the left screen than on the other two. Green, blue, and white again. So yeah, I hope it will come clear in the video that the calibration of the refresh panel is a little bit off compared to my older screens. Maybe they used a different IPS panel, I don't know. I've asked Iiyama and they can't tell me anything about it. So a distributor is going after it with Iiyama. If I have some more news about this refresh panel compared to the old one, maybe some information my distributor comes up with, I will post it in the video description. I will do a video about NVIDIA surround gaming, maybe comparing it to AMD's version. Don't know, have to see about that. But there will be a video for it coming up. For now, I will leave the video at this. If you have any comments, suggestions, maybe some advice, please leave them down in the comment section. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next one. Bye!